Struggling with toddler morning chaos? If your toddler melts down every morning before daycare, the problem usually isn't behavior. You're not doing anything wrong. Most morning chaos comes from one missing piece. Toddlers struggle when mornings feel unpredictable. They don't know what's happening next. So we repeat ourselves, get dressed, eat, shoes, hurry, and that creates more resistance. One simple fix is using structure instead of repeated instructions. When toddlers can see the steps, they feel more secure and transitions become easier. This helps reduce meltdowns and makes mornings feel more manageable. If you want a step-by-step system, I created the 7-day structured toddler morning reset. I'm looking for 3 moms to test it. The link is below. Struggling with toddler morning chaos? Calm toddler mornings in 7 days. Get the step-by-step reset below. Link in description.